Since Google Jamboard is going away in late 2024, we wanted to provide some alternatives that are available to use in CCSD 21. Let's start with Canva. Their whiteboard design is ideal for group collaborations because they've got lots of shapes and built-in content. You could even provide students with templates, and they can work together in real time. My Whiteboard is a tool available for teachers to use with their ViewSonic boards. This is perfect for whole class brainstorming or modeling for students. You can also add pictures and YouTube videos to your design. Kami offers templates and allows you to create an assignment in Google Classroom. Teacher feedback is a big plus for this option. Students can edit each other's documents too. Pear Deck lets teachers provide a slide for students to draw over. This option allows you to present all students' work live in front of the class. Google Slides is a tool that every student is already familiar with. It's great for multi-page brainstorms and has a built-in image search. Students can collaborate live as well. And you could even have one Google Slides file for all students to collaborate on at the same time. Google Drawings is a simple and easy-to-use tool. Its simplicity helps students use text and shapes quickly to do fast brainstorms.